Hello and welcome to My Career Doctor beginners. This is the first class to talk about boycott China. It's online class as we know, and in this all the beginners are here. They will be talking about here boycott Chinese products. Should we boycott or not? If we boycott, what are the alternatives, consequences, and the import substitutes? On all these things today, you can see here the Spartans of My Career Doctor. I hope you all students are ready right now here. So let's get started one by one. Like the very first, if I ask to you, Ekta, what do you think about this boycott China? Is it possible? Can we do it? Yes or no?
Actually, sir, this is not a impossible thing. If we want, then it is really possible. But if you're talking about, then it will be little bit tricky actually. This is my point of view because we cannot suddenly boycott the China all of product because nowadays we are using lot of product with which belongs to China actually our today life. So first, my thing actually because I have already seen some newses and there were actually some experts. They were just discussing something actually, and I totally agree with them because we cannot suddenly boycott China all of things. First, we have to boycott software things in 1 years, and after that we have to boycott software, sorry, hardware, all of things. So I have already deleted actually my TikTok app actually, and so my daddy, he is also favor of Modi actually, because our thought is because there is no thing we can only fight with bullet. We can also fight with our wallet also actually, because if we are purchasing China thing, yeah, China stuff, then we are giving China to opportunity actually to improve their solidars and their infrastructure as well. So that's why I have to boycott the China products. And Modi ji is also nowadays some campaign actually going on. The campaign name is Atmanirbhar actually, right? And so I totally agree with you. We can, if we want, then we can definitely boycott actually. So this is my view, sir.
If we talk about the import Chinese, like India import 7 times more than China export. So it is not a very easy process just because fiscal deficit of India increases. If a country if a country import more goods and export a very less amount of the goods, then obviously the fiscal deficit of any country increases, and strength of the country in terms of the economy, we can say, which also decreases. Like if we talk about the Indian rupees, the value of Indian rupees also decreases globally, and that's why we are not able to stand up as a developed country. And if we talk about there is a need to pay attention in our country, like we can upgrade our resources. We need to improve both the quality and quantity of the products, so that we can easily attract our youth for the to purchase made in India things. Like recently PM has announced that vocal for local campaign, so we definitely need to support that vocal for local campaign. I think we have to take an initiative to support our country, so that our nation build up as a developed or as a strengthened company against all other companies.
And if a question, we should boycott the China product. My answer, yes, we should boycott China product, because why are here one question arises: why are not we boycott the other countries product, like South Korea, Germany, Japan, or America? Why are we going to ban China products? Because whenever we are using any social apps like TikTok or games, PUBG, or share it, then the money directly go to China, and they are using now. They are using now to increasing their forces and bullet, and now those forces are stand on LAC LAC border. So it's dangerous for our soldiers and our citizens who are living on LAC border. So why this is a very harm to our citizen, and I want to say that if now we are not depend on fully on Chinese project, and we are only using, and we are only uses this product, Chinese product. If we have a willpower, then definitely one day we will do it, and we will ban every Chinese project in India.
Deepak Kumar Mehto.
Yeah, I am able to hear that. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Actually, sir, it is not possible for us that you can boycott the China products, because we are too much dependable on China, because we are purchasing lots of things. You can say 60% things are purchasing from the China. So it is very difficult right now, but we have to take a step, particular step, which will, as you said, like today it is not possible, but one day it will definitely come to us that we'll be perfect in English, as you said. So I think we should do our best, and we should contribute our contribution to the nation to make perfect. And whatever you need to do boycott of the China product, that means we have to do hard work. And also you can say keeping China out of daily lives, particular it is not possible right now, but one day definitely we can you can boycott it. And if you need to know something about me, then definitely I can say our government should take a particular decision over it, like a surgical strike was money surgical strike was there. So we our government should make a particular team which will work on this. And also definitely it's not a solution, because we are already too much dependable on the China. So also we should work on our company development, like that we have to open new companies in our country, which will help us to manufacture those things whatever we are purchasing from the China. That will help us to boycott it. And also there are, you can see there are so many students, those who are using TikTok or something like that, whatever is there. I don't think it's a really harmful for them also.
Yes, please.
So thank you for giving me opportunity. Sir, it's very clear that China plan to lead the world. That's why the China is China by making their economic colony in the countries. They dominate. They want to dominate the people. Like we see the countries like Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal. They we can see that they almost fully going to trap on the China's plan, and we also gonna trap on this China's plan. But we have time to now. We have time. Even we have time to stand up with our country. Protect. We can protect from China by boycotting the China's product. And it's not difficult, it's not easy, but if we want that, we can do it, because we can see that we can learn from Corona pandemic effect that we people can do anything for our protect our country. So why not from China? because it's very clear that China want to make their economic colony. So we have to boycott the China's product. And it's not easy for, it's not only for possible for citizens, we citizens, but also main responsible is the traders and the companies. They should take the alternative of China, like make in India, make in Japan, make in Taiwan, make in Germany, make in or other European countries. So and also, and now government also have to do something. Government, according to as we know that according to World Trade Organization, government cannot government cannot ban directly China's product, but government can the government can encourage our country's small industry. Government can government can give loan to do the business of our country's women or Yuva.
We are living in imperialism because when we boycott of China, after that we face a lot of problem because we are using a lot of things of China, but this is possible if we want to boycott China and we are not living in imperialism. After that, we should give up our luxurious life and we should living in very simple life. After that, this is possible, and the government should also increase our youth to develop colleges. After that, because our education system is also bad condition nowadays, then how can I imagine and we imagine to boycott China, because we don't know about everything, how can manage and how can use, because we are using a lot of things in very cheap rate, and if we are boycott China, after that when we import any articles in any other countries, after that we should give a lot of money for that things. So firstly, our government should provide good education, and after that government should founded a lot of companies, and after that all people are skilled, then all people are able to do anything for our country. After that this is possible, but at this time a lot of things are so usable, like many things are very useful for us.
Our youth in India, our in our country, 65% are youth, but they distract their mind on a social media like TikTok, uh, Instagram, Facebook. They don't use their mind on creative things, but they use their mind on a make TikTok videos. They think they are popular by making these videos, but this is not very good for our youth. uh,
Sir, and I believe that nothing is impossible. Uh, all things is possible. Sir, I believe that suddenly by cutting by cutting Chinese goods also make China want to withdraw his invest. Before that, I think such production capacity has to build, which can produce